Peace and plants, my botanical family. So we do remember our video on the Hosta. Right down at Drexel Hill, we're at 33rd and Arch Street. There were huge trees here, but they were dead. So they were not giving our Hosta any shade. You can actually see them right now, and they're still going through a lot. The reason why they look so trashy is because the tree died. Hostas are shade-loving plants, guys. Both of the trees are dead. Not so good for the Hosta. This is what a happy Hosta family looks like. I wonder where this shade is coming from. Ah, the oak tree. Peace and plants.